No, really. We respond to her voice whenever she sings a lullaby. That's why when we are born, we don't come out crying, but singing! Don't take it from me. Here we have one of the best child singers in our country. Miko, come here. Yes. Is it true? The first thing you did after you were born was to sing. Oh, and what did you sing?
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me.
Of course, it was your birthday. Ladies and gentlemen, Miko Laurente.
Matayo kang ipagsaranggolan ni Pepe. Matayo kang pangarap ng matatang bini. Umihip ang hangin na wala sa paningin. Sigaw ng kahapon, nilako ng halo. Malabo ang tunog ng pamilya ni Padre. Maligayang nagising sa sarap ng babae. Nay, 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 nay. Pinapawi mo, sama ng loob, nalilimutan ko. Paminsan pero tayo sumayaw, kalimbang kong hawak, muling ikaw ay parang ngiti sa'yo'y naghihintay. Bigang ligaya na iyong tagalaw.
Now, let's celebrate Filipinos' love for love itself. Yes, love is what makes the world go round. Love for God.
May bukas pa sa iyong buhay. Tutulungan ka ng Diyos na may ang iyong pagdaramdam. Idalangin mo sa may kapal na sa puso mo ay mawala ng lubusan.
Romantic love.